I am very excited to be demonstrating the Shashibo fidget cube for you guys today and also be sharing my one complaint with it. So first off, this is super fun to play with. We can do a whole ton of different shapes. I can't show you all of them now, but just a quick idea, and then we can bring it right back up to a cube. It's very fun to play with. My only complaint with this cube, however, is just it comes back to the durability. So as you'll notice, the sticker has kind of started to peel off, and we've only had this thing for about 2 months now, and yeah, it's not as durable as I would have liked. This is just from occasional use, not rough with it, no more than possible. So we just kind of have this just from playing with it. So for example here, let me show you, like if I open it up, you can see how the sticker, it just kind of is forced to come out a little bit. And over time, from having done that enough, the sticker has just kind of peeled a bit. So it's a little bit unfortunate, still definitely holding in there. I think just in the edges you have to be careful with the sticker coming apart and make sure that you do still treat it gently. Just the durability could be better, but overall it's still a really fun toy, and if you're looking for a fun fidget cube, then this is one that I would definitely recommend.